Welcome to the Mathematics channel. Are you excited what we are going to learn today? The activity begins now. Let's find the HCF.
This activity is related to how to find HCF of 2 or 3 numbers. Okay, so what is HCF? H stands for highest, C stands for common, F stands for factor. Okay, now how to find HCF? Let us learn, children. First, before stepping into the activity, let us see what is the objective of the activity. To find the HCF of 6 and 8. Here I have selected two numbers 6 and 8. It's left to you which numbers you have to select. Materials required for the activity: 2 bowls, beads or thermocol balls or marbles, or anything of your choice. Preparations: here you can work in pairs or you can work independently also. You can play this like a game also. Fine. We'll go step by step. Step 1. Finding the HCF of 6 and 8. To find the HCF of 6 and 8, what is step 1? Let us see now. Draw the beads in the bowls. How it is? Let us learn. Now here what are the two numbers you have selected? It's nothing but 6 and 8. So in the first plate there are 6 beads. Second plate there are 8 beads. Now what you have to do? You have to drop these beads into the bowls. Okay, in that particular bowl. So first let us drop this 6 beads in this first bowl and 8 beads in the second bowl. Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first bowl is having how many beads? 6 beads. Second bowl is having how many beads? 8 beads. Okay. Now what is the next step? So first step you understood, right? Just you have to drop the beads in that particular bowls. Or if you have the paper cups, you can use the paper cups also for this activity. Fine. Step 2. Compare which bowl is having more beads. So which bowl is having more beads? The bowl which has 8 beads is greater than 6 beads, right? 8 is greater than 6. So what you have to do now? So first step you have to drop the bowls in the first step you have to drop the beads in the bowls. Second step you have to compare which bowl is having more beads, right? Now remove 6 beads from the bowl having 8 beads. Okay, so here 6 is less than 8. So always the bowl which is having more beads, from that you have to remove the smaller number of beads. Okay. So which bowl is having 8 beads? Second bowl. So let us remove 6 beads from the 8 beads bowl. Okay. Let us remove 6 beads from the 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you count each bowl is having how many beads? First bowl is having 6 beads. Second bowl is having 2 beads. Okay. Now what is the next step? Compare. Again you have to compare which bowl is having more beads. So here 6 is greater than 2. So now again what you have to do? Two bits, because 2 is less than 6, right? So now which bowl is having more bits? The bowl which is having 6 beads, right? So you have to remove 2 beads from the bowl which is having 6 beads. So here first bowl is having 6 beads. So let us remove 2 beads from that. 1, 2. Now what is the next step? So this bowl is having 4 beads. This bowl is having 2 beads. Okay. Now what is the next step? Compare again. 4 and 2. So which is greater? 4 is greater. Now what you have to do? Remove 2 beads, because 2 is less than 4, right? So you have to remove 2 beads from the bowl which is having 4 beads. Which is having 4 beads. First bowl is having 4 beads. 1, 2. Now what is left over in the first bowl? 2 beads. Second bowl, 2 beads. So here 2 is equals to 2, right? This activity you have to continue until both the bowls will get same number of beads. So here the first bowl is also having 2 beads. Second bowl is also having 2 beads. So this is the final step of this activity. So here 2 is equals to 2. Therefore this 2 is the highest common factor of 6 and 8. Is it interesting, children? Try this with the more numbers and have a fun.
Thank you for your active participation.